I am just feeling under the weather.
Mr. White is feeling a little under the weather this morning.
Listen, boy, your sister is a little under the weather.
Lemon, you're looking a little under the weather.
Oh, perhaps I am a little under the weather.
I know a lot of us have been feeling under the weather lately.
I think I'll just hit the sack. I think I'll just hit the sack.
Anyway, I'm gonna go hit the sack.
Okay, you know, I think I'm gonna hit the sack.
Either way, good game, everyone. But I am beat. I gotta hit the sack.
You cost an arm and a leg, so let's get to work.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. You take my advice?
I did. Thank you again.
Cost me an arm and a leg.
You cost an arm and a leg, so let's get to work.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna cost an arm and a leg. You take my advice?
I did. Thank you again.
Cost me an arm and a leg.
Yeah, right. When pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
You know, Smithers, I think I'll donate $1 million to the local orphanage. When pigs fly.
Someday you'll thank me.
Yeah, when pigs fly.
We'll break a leg tonight.
Break a leg. Yeah, break a leg. Good luck, everyone. Break a leg.
Just want to say, break a leg, everybody.
All right. Break a leg, kid. So I'm here.
Okay, break a leg.
You can do it. Break a leg.
Break a leg, Chuck.